Hello students, today we shall start a new chapter of science, soil. As you know that soil is one of the most important natural resources. It provides across to the parts and plants and supplies water and nutrients. It is the home for many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture and agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter for all. Soil is thus an inseparable part of our life. The earthy fragrance of soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Now, soil teeming with life. One day during the rainy season, Paheli and Bujo observed an earthworm coming out of the soil. Paheli wondered whether there were the other organisms also in the soil. Collect some samples and observe them carefully. You can use a hand lens, examine each sample carefully and fill the table 9.1. You can do it yourself. Now, next point is soil profile. Next point is soil profile. Soil is composed of different layers. Perform the following activity to find out how these layers are arranged. Activity 9.2. Take a little soil, break the clumps with your hand to powder it. Now take a glass tumbler, 3/4 filled with water, and add a handful of soil to it. Stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time. Figure 9 point. There is a figure. Afterward, observe it and answer the following questions. There are 5 layers. Topmost layer is humus, second layer is water, third layer is clay, fourth layer is sand from the top, and the last, or you can say bottom layer, is gravel. Do you see layer of particles of different size in the glass tumbler? Draw a diagram showing these layers. Are these some dead rotting leaves or animals remains floating on water? The rotting dead metals in the soil is called humus. The topmost layer is rotting dead matter in the soil, and it is called humus. You probably know that the soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks by action of wind, water and climate. This process is called pettering. The nature of any soil depends upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the type of vegetation that grow in it. A vertical section through different layer of the soil is called soil profile. Now, the next point is soil. There are 4 horizon of the soil. There is first horizon, A horizon. A horizon, this is the part of a soil profile. Soil is arranged in layers that differ in color, texture and chemical composition. Soil profile refers to the layer of the soil. Each layer is called a horizon. There are 4 horizon in a soil profile. Number 1, A horizon. A horizon, it is the topmost layer and is known as the topsoil. This layer is rich in humus and is dark, soft and porous. Plant roots are seen in this layer. This layer provides nutrients for the plants to grow and is also home to many animals. Second is B horizon. B horizon. It is the layer just below the A horizon and is known as the subsoil. This layer is rich in minerals and is normally hard and compact. Plant roots may extend into this layer. Third one is C horizon. It is the layer just below the B horizon. This layer has partially watered rocks with a lot of cracks and a long narrow opening, and the last one is bedrock. It is the bottommost layer in the soil profile and is known as the bedrock. This layer is full of hard rock. Now, this is all for this video. All other points will be covered in the next video. Thank you.